بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. النهاردة هنقدم the first model in algebra and analytic solid geometry third from secondary. جهز كراستك وقلمك وحاول تسبقني في الحل. طبعا ده الموديل الأول من الموديلز للسيد مستشار الرياضيات، منزل 8 موديلات، فإن شاء الله ربنا يوفقنا ونحل منهم وتركزوا عليهم على قد ما تقدروا. على بركة الله نبدأ. The first question: the number of ways of selecting an even number or two numbers out of 4 even numbers and 5 odd numbers equals the number of ways equal 41 multiply 5c2 equal 4 multiply 10 equal 40. Second question: if 7c are greater than 1 and rc5 greater than 1, then factorial 6 negative r equal choose. Seven C are greater than 1, we can get R less than or small than 7. R small than 7 and R in Z plus, then R element in set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. RC5 greater than 1, then R greater than 5. R element in set 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. From 1 and 2 we can get R equal 6. Factorial 6 negative r equal factorial 6 negative 6 equal factorial 0 equal 1. We can choose 1. Third question: if x square plus y square plus z square equal 6z is the equation of a sphere of center C and radius r, then the solution: x square plus y square plus z square negative 6 equal 0. Negative 6z equal 0. The general equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2lx plus 2ky plus 2nz plus d equal 0, and n is negative l negative k negative n. We can get the m equal 0, 0, 3 and radius equal root 0 plus 0 plus 9 negative 0 equal 3. We can choose C 0, 0, 3 and R equal 3 units. The fourth question: answer following question. Put the number z equal 8 over 1 negative root 3 I in the trigonometric form, then find its 2 square roots in the exponential form. Z equal 8 over 1 negative root 3 I. We can multiply conjugate, we can get z equal 2 plus 2 root 3 I. Then x equal 2 and y equal 2 root 3 and r equal root 4 plus 12 equal 4, and theta equal 10 power negative 1 root 3 equal 60. Then z equal 4 cosine 60 plus I sine 60. Root z equal root 4 cosine 60 plus 360 r over 2 plus I sine 60 plus 360 r over 2. Then root z طبعا r equal 0 and negative 1 or 0 and 1. If r equal 0, we can get root z equal to cosine 30 plus I sine 30 equal 2e power 1 over 6 pi I. If r equal negative 1, then root z equal to cosine negative 150 plus I sine negative 150 equal 2 e power negative 5 over 6 by I. In the expansion of ax plus b power 2n plus 1, if the two middle terms are equal at x equal 2, then choose the correct answer. In the expansion of ax plus b power 2n plus 1, the orders are two middle terms are 2n plus 1 over 2 and 2n plus 1 plus 3 over 2. Then n negative n positive 1 and n positive 2. The middle term n equal. Then tn plus 1 equal tn plus 2. We can get tn plus 2 over tn plus 1 equal 1. Then 2n plus 1 negative n plus 1 over n plus 1 multiply the second over the first multiply p over ax equal 1. When x equal 2, then x plus 1 over x plus 1 multiply b over 2n b over 2a equal 1. Then b equal 2a. We choose it. If vector a equal negative 1, 5, negative 2, and vector b equal 3, 1, 1, and vector a plus vector b plus c equal I. Then c equal I equal 1, 0, 0. We can get c equal I, negative A, negative B. We can get C equal 1, 0, 0 plus 1, negative 5, 2 multiply negative 1 plus multiply negative 1, and so we can get negative 3, negative 1, negative 1, then C equal negative 1 and negative 6 and 1. We can choose the solution. If the vectors 2, k and negative 3 and 0, 6 and 6 are perpendicular, then k equal وبعدين choose. The vectors are perpendicular, then 2k negative 3 dot 0, 6 and 6 equal 0. Then 6k negative 18 equal 0. Then k equal 3. We choose it. Answer the following question. If norm vector A equal 6 and the direction cosines of vector A are 2 over 3, negative 2 over 3, 1 over 3 respectively, and vector B equal negative 2, 3, 5, find vector A cross vector B. Vector A equal the norm 6 multiply the direction cosines. يبقى النورم multiply the direction cosines, we can get vector A. يبقى vector A equal 4, negative 4, 2. Vector A cross vector B equal determinant I, j, k, 4, negative 4, 2, negative 2, 3, 5. We can get equal negative 26i, negative 24j plus 4k. We can note the geometrical meaning of the vector product of two vectors. We know that norm vector A cross vector B equal norm vector A multiply norm vector B multiply sine theta equal norm vector B multiply L, where L equal norm vector A sine theta equal the area of the parallelogram in which B, vector B and vector A are two adjacent sides equal double the area of triangle in which vector B and vector A are two adjacent sides. If the x-axis intersects the sphere at the 2 points A and B, find the length of AB. X-axis intersects the sphere at point x 0 and 0. We can get x negative 2 over power 2 plus 9 plus 1 negative 14 equals 0. We can get x negative 2 power 2 equal 4. We can get x negative 2 equal 2 and x negative 2 equal negative 2. X equal 4 and x equal 0. Then the 2 points are intersects x axis 0 0 0 and 4 0 0. Then the length AP equal 4 units. F1 plus omega power 7 equal A plus B omega, where A and B are real numbers, then A and B equal 1 plus omega power 7 equal negative omega power 2 all power 7 equal negative omega power 14 equal negative omega power 2 equal 1 plus omega equal A plus B omega. Then we can get A equal 1 and B equal 1. Then we can choose 1 and 1. The straight line which makes the direction angles of measures 60 degree with the y-axis and 44 degree with the z-axis mixed with the x-axis a direction angle of measure solution. Cosine square theta x plus cosine square theta y plus cosine square theta z equal 1. We can get cosine square theta x plus cosine square 60 plus cosine square 44 equal 1. Cosine square theta x plus cosine 60 equal half. Cosine square 60 equal quarter plus cosine 44 equal 1 over root 2. Then cosine square 44 equal half. All this equal 1. Then cosine square theta x equal quarter. Then cosine square equal negative and positive half. Cosine theta x equal half. Then theta x equal 60. If cosine theta x equal negative half, then theta x equal 120. Then we can choose 60. If L1 x negative 3 over 1 equal y plus 2 over negative 2 equal z plus 1 over negative 4 is parallel to L2 x plus 5 over negative 2 equal y over k plus 1 equal z negative 1 over 8. Then k equal, the two lines are parallel. vector d1 for L1 equal 1, negative 2, and negative 4. And vector d2 for L2 equal negative 2, k plus 1, and 8. Then we can get 1 over negative 2 equal negative 2 over k plus 1 equal negative 4 over 8, because the two lines are parallel. We can get k plus 1 equal 4, then k equal 3. We can choose it. In the expansion of 5 over x plus x whole power 8 according to ascending powers of x, prove that the term free of x is the middle term and find its value. Then find the value of x which makes the ratio between the third and the seventh terms p1 to 60. The general term tr plus 1 equal 8 cr x power r 5 over x power 8 negative r. Then x power r multiply x power negative r negative 8 plus r equal x power negative 8 plus 2r equal x power 0. Then negative 8 plus 2r equal 0, then r equal 4. Then t5, the free term in x. The order of middle term equal 8 over 2 plus 1, because 8 is even. Then the middle term equal t5. t5 equal 8c4 multiply 5 power 4. The ratio between t7 over t3 equal 1 or equal 16 over 1 equal 8c6 x power 6 5 over x power 8 power 2 over 8c2 x power 2 5 over x power 6. We can get x power 8 equal 5 power 4 multiply 2 power 4. Then x power 10 x power 8 equal 10 power 4. Then x square equal 10. Then x equal positive and negative root 8 10, positive or negative root 10. If z equal root 2 multiply sine 30 plus I cosine 30, then the principal amplitude of z is z equal root 2 multiply sine 30 plus I cosine 30 equal root 2 multiply cosine 60 plus I sine 60. then theta equal 60. Without expanding, the determinant proves that we can solve the equation. We put the determinant of a triangle form. R1 negative R2, that's given the determinant A negative B كلهم 1 A negative V B C كلهم 2 0 A negative C A 2A negative 2B 2B B plus C. Common factor A negative B in the row 1. We get the root 1 1 0 2 and root 2 B A negative C 2B root 3 C A B plus C. K1 multiply negative 2 plus K3 and put in K3. We get A negative B multiply the determinant equal, we can multiply the K1 multiply negative 2 and plus K3 and put in K3. We get the determinant of a triangle form equal A negative B multiply A negative C multiply B negative C. Proving. That's proving. Prove that the two straight lines vector R1 equal 3 negative 3 5 plus T1 0 negative 5 5 vector R2 equal negative 2 3 1 plus T2 5 negative 1 ونيجاتيف 1 are perpendicular and intersect at a point, then find the coordinates of their intersection point. Vector D1 equal 0 negative 5 5 and vector D2 equal 5 negative 1 negative 1. Vector D1 dot vector D2 equal 0. Then the two lines are perpendicular. We search the two lines are intersect or skew. Put vector R1 equal vector R2. Vector R1 equal vector R2. We can get 3 plus T1 multiply 0 equal negative 2 plus 5 T2. T2 equal 1. Negative 3 negative 5 T1 equal 3 negative T2. If T2 equal 1, then T1 equal negative 1. The third equation, 5 plus 5T1 equal 1 negative T2. If put T1 equal negative 1 and T2 equal 1, we can get 0 equal 0. i.e. the two straight lines intersect at point. We can put T1 in R1 equal negative 1 or T2 in R2 equal 1 to obtain the point. R equal, the point is intersect, R equal 3, negative 3, 5, negative 1 multiply 0, negative 5, 5 equal 3, 2 and 0. This intersect point. E power I theta plus E power negative I theta equal E power I theta plus E power negative I theta equal cosine theta plus I sin theta plus cosine negative theta plus I sin negative theta. Cosine an even function and sine an odd function. Then we can get cosine theta plus I sin theta plus cosine theta plus cosine theta. Cosine theta equal cosine negative theta. Negative I sin theta. Sine negative theta equal negative sine theta. We can get cosine theta. We can choose it. تم بحمد الله، ونراكم إن شاء الله في الحلقة القادمة. السلام عليكم.